Hello, I'm Grace. SpaceX, the undisputed leader of the space industry, is drawing intense scrutiny from the financial sector as it moves into the heart of the Nasdaq market. According to reports, SpaceX is scheduled to be officially included in the Nasdaq 100 index starting next month on the 7th. This decision is garnering significant attention because it is an unprecedented move for a company to be included in a major index less than a month after its listing. Market analysts predict that this inclusion will trigger a massive influx of approximately $4.3 billion in passive capital. At current exchange rates, this represents a staggering amount of money, totaling roughly 6.6 trillion Korean won, approximately 4.7 billion USD. Such a capital flow acts as a powerful driver that goes beyond the growth of a single company, triggering mechanical buying through index tracking methods. Previously, investors faced the inconvenience of having to manually seek out individual stocks or specialized ETFs to invest in the space industry. However, with this inclusion, general investors can now easily gain indirect exposure to SpaceX through the Nasdaq 100 index. As investment accessibility improves dramatically, the impact of the incoming capital from both individual and institutional investors is expected to be substantial. Compared to existing space-themed stocks, SpaceX's inclusion in the index could serve as a catalyst to reshape market capital flows. The core takeaway is that SpaceX has moved beyond mere thematic growth to establish a foundation for stable capital inflows as a constituent of a major index. However, such rapid capital influx occurring so early in the listing period is a double-edged sword that could increase stock price volatility. While the influx of passive funds is advantageous for short-term price support, concerns exist that it could lead to market overheating. Ultimately, the key will be how to manage the volatility arising from the intersection of SpaceX's corporate value and the supply and demand logic of the financial markets. This development suggests that the space industry has fully transitioned from being a mere future technology to becoming a mainstream pillar of the financial markets. Close attention must now be paid to how SpaceX's entry will alter the growth drivers and the industrial landscape of the Nasdaq market moving forward. I'm Grace, thanks for watching.